September 16, World Ozone Day. Every year, September 16 is celebrated as International Ozone Day for the preservation of ozone layer as instructed from United Nations General Assembly. What is ozone? What is the significance of ozone layer? Why do we preserve it? Let's listen to our friends.
Three oxygen atoms join together to form ozone molecule. This is how we represent ozone, O3. The word ozone is derived from the Greek word ozein, meaning to smell. Ozone is a poisonous gas with a strong smell.
Have you heard about ozone umbrella? It is a protective layer over Earth's atmosphere which protects us from the harmful radiation that coming from outer space. Nowadays, the holes are detected on the surface of ozone layer. The reason is CFC, chlorofluorocarbon.
When refrigerators, air conditioners, etc. work, CFC is liberated to the atmosphere. There, it decomposes liberating chlorine. This chlorine increases the decomposition of ozone to oxygen. As oxygen is liberated like this, holes are formed in the ozone layer. This is called ozone depletion.
Why September 16 is celebrated as World Ozone Day? Why this day itself? In 1994, the United Nations General Assembly proclaimed September 16 as World Ozone Day, commemorating the date of signing in 1897 the Montreal Protocol on substances that deplete ozone layer.
What should we do on this day? What are the responsibilities and duties related to ozone day? Take care of our appliances to minimize the ozone layer depletion. Protect ourselves from ozone depletion by avoiding excessive use of sun exposure. Conduct awareness programs based on this concept.